Ecological Leisure Farm. Very unique yung concept nila dito. Pinagsasama-sama nila yung plants at saka animals, and they make it a good coconut pineapple plantation, organic plantation. Kung saan ginagamit lang yung iba't ibang animals para mag-coexist. Pwede pala yun sa farming. So kita nyo yung waiting shed na yun, pineapple, very nice. Halika, pasok tayo sa loob. Sa loob tayo.
在这边种有机凤梨已经3代了，60年了。
Pineapple for 60 years.
那我们这边呢，凤梨从1级的生产到2级的加工到3级的体验服务的一条龙。
They also plant the pineapple and they do the pineapple products, and also they can make some DIY in the farm.
还有生态环境保育的部分。
They put a lot of effort on the eco-friendly situation.
那再一次欢迎大家。那我们等一下呢，就先来手做凤梨酥，让大家体验一下。
We will go to make the traditional pineapple cake first.
那之后呢，会带各位呢到我们的凤梨田亲自看一下我们的有机凤梨如何栽
We
种。
will go to see the pineapple farm later.
然后我们再来一个凤梨的下午茶。
And they prepare the pineapple afternoon tea for us.
好，再次欢迎大家。
Bathroom, you can go there.
如果是只是要洗手的，可以跟我来哈。如果没有要上洗手间的，只要洗手的可以。
If you only wash your
Good morning, Pingtung. And now we are here at Mingchuan Pineapple Plantation. Ang first na gagawin namin ay pineapple cake. Come on, samahan nyo kami sa loob.
going to introduce the ingredient of the pineapple cake.
好，首先是大家可以看一下桌上这个咖啡色的这个，
The brown one is
这个是我们的凤梨馅。
the filling of the
Pineapple.
pineapple.
那跟大家介绍一下它的制作流程，这样子。
She's going to introduce us the process of the pineapple filling.
What is the yellow?
31.5. Konti pa.
2.9.
Yan, 31.3. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good, children. 28.
We need SOS. About this one.
Yes.
我们需要求救，这边有一颗需要求救，这边求救，求救。
You have to rub the brown one. Yeah.
Big out.
And then you can put it in the box. Yes.
And then
And close it.
Wow.
Now, this is my...
Yes. Yeah. We all recorded.
Very, very simple. Pineapple cake. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Another perfect.
Yabang ka rin eh.
How about you guys? How are you doing?
Told you it's very serious.
Mga tumutulong pala ako siya na.
Uy, 33 grams to. May challenge to.
Doctora, what is the pineapple cake?
Tapos siya na nanay. Galing mo naman.
Talagang kami hindi pa yung taga-kain ng dapat. Diba?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mga namin nilalagyan namin ng mga pangalan bawat mga cakes namin para alam, walang dayan. Malalaman natin kung sino yung mas magandang cake mamaya. That we put the cakes in this pan and then my number is 23 and then it will be written in my hand. Number 23. Michael Jordan.
23.
We are now entering the Pineapple Organic Plantation. Dito daw ay wala silang pesticide and herbicide. Kaya ang problema nila, yung rats pumapasok, kinakain yung pineapple. That's why meron silang mga alagang pusa to take care of the rats. Right now after the harvest, kumukuha sila ngayon ng mga seedlings na pantanim. So pinaprepare nila yung mga binubunot nila yung pwede pang itanim and then iipon nila doon and then ipaplant nila yan at the right time. So itong mga blue net na to, tinanong namin bakit meron, anong purpose. Ang sabi nila wala naman daw siyang purpose since leisure farm ito, for art purposes only. Maganda nga naman tingnan, no? And mas naman sa blue agri. So may mga alaga silang cats na nakakulong sa umaga. Mamaya malalaman natin kung anong purpose ng mga cats. Tapos meron silang mga bantam chicken dito. Parang free range lang siya. Sa entrance ng farm na to, makikita niyo yung logo na to, butterfly, owl, crab, frog. So, ang ibig sabihin lang nila, gusto nilang i-coexist yung agriculture at saka yung farming at saka yung animals.